One's gone.
That's sad.
Where are you gonna go?
Hopping along. It's so beautiful.
So it's like, man, is this good timing? And the reason it happened is because it's this section that,
Yeah, we're in it.
yeah. Just want to make sure this isn't an extra one. So
No, this is the part it showed on the map. You idiots. Oh my God.
Did you film all that?
I stopped it and then restarted it. But, because it freaked me out.
Yeah.
Now keep right and then turn right.
Twin arrows is now a single arrow.
Yeah,
One's gone.
that's sad.
I don't know if I mentioned it, but one really fortunate thing that happened just before we left Karshner Caverns is I got an email from Love's, which we often get gas when we're traveling. And it was offering me 15 cents off a gallon instead of the regular 10 cents. So it's like, man, is this good timing? And the reason it happened is because when we were in the Benson area, I'd often get gas at the Circle K instead because they would send me like 40 cents off a gallon, be one day a month. And so Love's was missing us. I guess they were thinking we weren't buying much. So they offered us 15 cents off through the month of May. Absolutely perfect timing.
I was a fool to let you down, and now you run. Oh, now I'm crying, 'cause I want you back. Cupid, send his kisses to me. Cupid, tell him he belongs to me.
So getting up, get a milk crate for you.
Okay.
Well, there you are. Where are you gonna go?
Hopping along. I'm gonna hop the train.
$17.51.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Is that good?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
I'll get started on that.
Okay, thank you.
And who's getting married? Is this going to a place or somebody getting married?
It's
Or
our son.
he's getting married?
Yeah.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Here it is.
If you were wondering where it is, here it is.
At the trading post, it's an interesting thing to get the shot with the sign. Now I'm gonna have to back up a little bit to make sure we're all good. Get everything all set on our truck. Michelle is out there. We're in radio communication to make sure we can back up just fine here.
It's gonna be alright. Yeah, yeah. How can you tell? Yeah, yeah. I feel it in my heart. Is that about right? Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be okay. Yeah,
probably right about there.
With a famous Jackrabbit trading post fading in the rearview mirror, we rolled toward more iconic sites along Route 66, plus a few mundane housekeeping tasks we couldn't put off any longer. We continued east on America's Mother Road toward Holbrook and the Petrified Forest. We're calling this whole adventure Mission 26, and we're capturing every memory in our Mission 26 journal. What's your mission for 2026? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear it.
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be You're gonna find your way. It's gonna be alright. Hey, hey, hey.
That is a tight squeeze for sure. Sheesh. How much more crack can we stuff into today?
Right.
Half a mile, you will reach the waypoint.
Several more things apparently. Did you get tow meters?
Oh, I'll have to get that from the front. Oh, look at that. Tow Mater's grandpappy.
Yeah.
So, have you ever slept in a wigwam?
I have not. Have you?
No.
Have any of you?
As if we needed one more thing to add to our day, we actually are parked in a parking lot by a laundromat so we can do our laundry after all the things we visited and before we get to our campground for tonight. This is just one of the aspects of full-time RV living that people often don't think about. You gotta get your clothes washed. And now we wait.
Hey, bang a bop, what ya? Sing a ling, gotcha, gap, tap a flip. Hip a tip, hip tip tick. Fill a pop and giggle, quarter and a pump a nickel. Kang a lang, zip it, pop a doodle, lap it.
We've been alone for a while, me
Here's your sign.
The show must go on.
Then it won't catch.
It is not cold here today. It's about 74 degrees, so it's been beautiful. It's just the wind is about 30 to 35 mile an hour gusts. So as you can see in a lot of our stuff, we're being blown around, but it's not cold. It's a beautiful day. Whoops. And we have to keep holding onto our hats. Oh. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. Really good suggestion, Michelle. Absolutely beautiful.
What did we just hike?
The Blue, I want to say Blue Mesa?
Yep.
Yeah, the Blue Mesa Trail, down and back up. And it was a great experience. Did you get to do this when you were with your girlfriends here a couple years ago?
Yes.
So you did hike this. So excellent recommendation. Highly recommended trail here at Petrified National Forest.
Thank you, Bonnie.
And a coffee.
Afternoon boost.
It's 4:58. That says the park closes at 5 for entrance, but you got to be off the trail by 7 o'clock.
Right.
What the sign said.
So, but I think the bathrooms, I don't know, I really need a bathroom. And so we're going to get heading down the road, not going to stop anymore. We're pretty windblown.
Yes.
And saw a lot today.
You look very windblown.
Yeah. And I had a hat on. So anyway, we're going to try to see if we can find a bathroom. So we'll let you know where they are.